You know what's actually demoralizing on YouTube? It's not the editing, it's not the scripting, it's not even the fact that you spend 10 hours on a video and it gets 47 views. It's that you genuinely don't know why. You did everything right, you were consistent, you were passionate, you showed up even when you didn't feel like it, and the channel just stays stagnant. And nobody can give you a straight answer as to why, because every course, every guru, every piece of advice just loops back to the same three concepts. Be consistent, be passionate, keep uploading. But what nobody actually teaches you is how to make the right videos. Not just more videos, but the right ones. I've made over 300 videos, 5 years. I followed all of the concepts, and I can tell you with full honesty that the advice is not wrong. It's just incomplete. And I spent 5 years not knowing the difference. Until now, because there is actually a new systematic approach that gives you the competitive advantage and is far more accurate in helping you scale your YouTube channel. So I want to show you the tool that's finally changed that for me, and it's called VidIQ. Now, if you have heard of VidIQ before, you probably know it as that tool that shows search volumes and suggests titles. I used it years ago, I didn't find much value in it and moved on. YouTube Studio also started doing similar things, so I had even less reason to go back. But VidIQ has changed a lot, and the version of VidIQ I'm using now is completely different from what I remember years ago. They built their own VidIQ AI, and this isn't just another ChatGPT wrapper you prompt with YouTube questions. This AI was trained specifically on YouTube data VidIQ has been collecting since before most of us even took YouTube seriously. We're talking about hundreds of thousands of channels worth of information on what works, what doesn't, what titles pull clicks, what thumbnails stop the scroll. And that data makes VidIQ actually useful for you. When you ask VidIQ what video you should make next, it doesn't just look at your channel. Because honestly, if you are earlier in your journey, your channel data alone isn't enough to draw conclusions from. What VidIQ can do is go wider. It looks at your competitors, finds their breakout videos, analyzes their titles, their transcripts, their thumbnails, and then brings all of that back to you as a suggestion you can actually act on. I used to do that research myself. It took hours and I still wasn't confident I got it right. VidIQ does it in seconds, and it's pulled from hundreds of thousands of channels. As for the AI itself, I spent most of my VidIQ time just talking to it. It's like having a coach in a chat window, except this coach doesn't charge you thousands a month or by the hour, and most importantly, doesn't get annoyed when you ask the same question 10-20 times. What I genuinely appreciate about it is that it doesn't flatter you and it isn't as optimistic. A lot of the AI tools will agree with whatever you say because they're built to be helpful, and helpful gets mistaken for agreeable sometimes. VidIQ isn't like that. I've had it tell me an idea won't work. I've had it push back on titles I was convinced were good. And one time I was going back and forth on the title for way too long, and VidIQ literally told me, "We've spent enough time on this, just pick one title and go make the video." That snapped me out of my own head, and that's what a real coach does. If you want to try it, there's a link below where you can get VidIQ Max for $1 for the first month. Try it, spend some time in the chat, and see what it surfaces about your channel. Now, VidIQ is powerful, but there's one thing it can't do, and it's not VidIQ's fault. YouTube controls what data it shares with third-party tools, so there's a whole layer of channel analytics that VidIQ simply doesn't have access to. So things like your CTR broken down by new versus returning viewers, your average view duration on a specific video from 2 years ago, or retention curves at a granular level. YouTube keeps the data locked inside YouTube Studio. They decide what to share and what not to share, so VidIQ can't get to it. No third-party tool can. But YouTube's own AI, Ask Studio, can, because it's built by YouTube. Ask Studio can pull any of that out for you using natural language. You can ask it to analyze a specific video, compare performance across your uploads, tell you which videos are bringing in new viewers versus just serving your existing audience. It knows your channel inside and out because it is your channel. The limitation is that Ask Studio is not great at telling you what to do with that information. Its content suggestions are quite generic. The title it recommends are also the kinds you would get from someone who has never actually grown a YouTube channel. Sometimes the title sounds like a chapter in a book. The data analysis is excellent, but the creative direction just isn't. So here's the workflow that I actually use that works. I start with Ask Studio. I ask it to break down what's working on my channel, what has good CTR, what has strong retention, what's bringing in new viewers versus just keeping existing ones happy. I dig into this until I have a clear picture of the gaps. So things like, what kind of videos is my channel missing? What have I not covered that my audience clearly wants? Ask Studio will eventually suggest some topics and titles based on this. I note the gaps only and I ignore the title suggestions. Then I take those gaps into VidIQ. I tell VidIQ AI what Ask Studio found. I ask it to confirm whether it sees the same thing, and then I ask it to help me find the right video ideas to fill those gaps, using not just my data, but competitor data as well, breakout videos in my niche, and what the market has already proven it wants. And then I just stay in that vidIQ chat. I brainstorm, I push back, I challenge it, I let it challenge me. By the end of it, I have a video idea that isn't a guess. It's backed by my own channel data and external market data at the same time. That's not something a $1,000 course gives you. That's not even something most coaches give you. And you're getting it for less than $50 a month. vidIQ isn't perfect, and I still challenge it when something feels off. But the combination of Ask Studio for deep channel analysis and vidIQ for what to do about it, it's given me a clear strategy that I can truly test out and be certain with what I'm doing. Give it a go, link is below in the description, and if you find something in vidIQ that I haven't covered here, let me know. I'm still finding new things in it myself as well.